Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today I'm trying some new locks. I have my hair in cornrows and I have 10 cornrows in front and they connect to 5 in the back. So let me show you the hair. So the hair I have is the Mayde Beauty Braid Waterfall locks. So they are goddess locks. They have the loose hair that's mixed in with the locks. They are 20 inches and on the pack it says that there are 36 strands in the pack. I like that they tell me so I don't have to count, but I'm going to count anyway just to make sure. I got 3 packs of this hair, so I don't think I'm going to need all 3 packs, but I'm glad that I have them. 36 strands in 1 pack times 3 packs is 108 locks. We're going to see how many I use. I feel like it's going to be like a 2.5 pack situation, but we're going to see. I'm going to go ahead and put one on the side here so you can see what it looks like, but I generally like to start in the back and work my way to the front. Now, my braids are very fresh, so my hair is a little tender. Luckily, these braids don't feel very heavy. Here's what the loop looks like. And it does open up quite a bit, so it should be no problem getting these locks on. Putting it on the latch hook, closing it, gently pulling it through, and then taking this off because the loop opens up really, really well, and just grabbing the lock and pulling it through. It gets pretty snug at the base, which is excellent. Looks like it's just like blending into my hair. I really like that. They're 20 inches, so they're pretty long. I'm gonna go ahead and install this hair and then I will come back. Hey guys, I'm back and it has been 5 days since I put this hair in. I really love it. I love that the curls are staying curly even though they do get tangled. I've been in the shower with them where it's pretty steamy. Not super duper steamy like it was at the gym, but still pretty steamy. And the curls are holding really nicely. In the morning when I wake up, I just pull the hair apart like that. And there's a few little like scraggly pieces, but it still looks super cute. I'm going to try to keep these in for about 4 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, because it's just a really pretty kind of bulky, curly, locky looking situation. It really gives goddess locks. I used 2 1/3 pack of this hair and it's not heavy at all. It goes in my bonnet really well. When I get ready to take a shower, I just put it up in a bun. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I was really surprised. I thought by the hair being longer, it was going to be heavier. I was wrong. So I have 2/3 of a pack left. What I might do is in a couple weeks when the perimeter starts to look a little worn, take some out and put the ones that are left in the pack in to give it like a refreshed look. Also, there are different locks in the pack. Some locks have the goddess hair on it and some locks don't. Like this lock is just a lock and it has the loose end, but some of them have the goddess locks already attached to it. So that's good. If you want more loose hair in the front or the back, you can put it that way. Or if you just want to mix them like I did, you can do it that way as well. I think this hair is definitely worth the money. 2 1/3 pack is what I used. If I had maybe had 8 braids instead of 10 in the front, I could have gotten away with only using 2 packs. Let me know if you've tried this hair. I am in love. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a good day.